If you want to start using Leonardo AI, the first thing you need to know is how to sign in the right way. In this video, I'll walk you through the full login process step by step so you can get into your account quickly and start creating without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo.AI. Once the website loads, you'll usually see a Start Now button or a login option on the home page. Go ahead and click either one, and a new page will open for you. This is the first step in getting to the account access screen. Now that the new page is open, look at the left sidebar. You should see an option that says Sign Up or Sign In. Click on that option to continue. This will take you directly to the login page where you can choose how you want to access your account. On the login page, Leonardo AI gives you several sign-in options through different account providers. You may see choices like Google, Microsoft, Canva, and other supported login methods. Pick the account provider you used when you originally created your Leonardo AI account. This is important because signing in with the correct provider helps you access the right profile instantly. After selecting your provider, a login window will appear. If you chose Google, Microsoft, or Canva, simply select your account and complete the normal sign-in process. That might mean entering your password, confirming your identity, or approving a quick verification step depending on your account settings. Just follow the prompts on screen until the login is complete. Once everything is verified, Leonardo AI will open the homepage, and that means you're successfully signed in. From here, you can begin creating images, exploring the tools, and using the platform however you need. If you reach the homepage, you're all set, so that's the full process for signing in to Leonardo AI. It only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials that make software easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.